Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about cheap indoor plants that make your home look expensive on a budget. You do not need rare tropical plants or giant designer trees to create that luxury home look. Some of the best expensive looking plants are actually cheap, easy to find, and surprisingly low maintenance. We're talking about plants that cost around $10 to $30, but completely change the feel of a room. The right plant can make a plain apartment look styled, make empty corners feel intentional, and make your home feel cleaner, calmer, and way more high-end. And in this video, I'm not just showing random pretty plants. I'll also show you where to place them, how to style them, and what actually makes them look expensive instead of messy. Some are beginner-friendly, some grow incredibly fast, and a few honestly look like they belong in luxury hotels. So if you thought making your home look expensive required expensive furniture and huge decor budgets, this video is going to prove otherwise. Before we get started, if you enjoy practical plant content like this, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Number 1. Monstera deliciosa, the designer apartment plant. If there's one plant that instantly gives your home that modern Pinterest apartment look, it's Monstera. You see this plant everywhere, in luxury interiors, modern cafes, boutique hotels, and expensive Instagram homes, because those giant split leaves create instant visual impact. And the crazy part is, young Monstera plants are actually pretty affordable. Most small to medium plants cost between $15 and $30, but once they start growing larger leaves, they look like expensive designer plants. The reason Monstera works so well for this topic is because it fills space beautifully. One plant can completely transform an empty corner and make the room feel professionally styled. Monsteras naturally climb upward in tropical forests, which is why they produce those dramatic split leaves as they mature. Visually, the plant has huge glossy green leaves with natural holes and cuts that create a bold luxury look without needing flowers or bright colors. For care, place it near bright indirect light. Water when the top few inches of soil feel dry. If you want bigger leaves and a more expensive look, let it climb a moss pole instead of trailing outward. One big mistake people make is placing Monstera in dark corners. It survives, but growth becomes weak, and the leaves stay small without those beautiful splits. The best practical benefit is that Monsteras grow fast. A cheap young plant can look like a massive designer statement piece within a year. And here's a money-saving styling tip. Skip expensive moss poles online and make your own using a wooden stick and coconut fiber. Same luxury look for a fraction of the cost. Number 2. Snake plants. The minimalist luxury plant. Snake plants are one of the easiest ways to make a room look cleaner, sharper, and more modern. Their tall, upright leaves create that sleek architectural look you usually see in expensive offices and luxury apartments. And unlike a lot of trendy plants, snake plants stay structured and organized looking instead of becoming messy over time. That's exactly why they work so well for this video. Most snake plants cost less than dinner at a restaurant, but when paired with the right pot, they instantly look premium. The reason they survive so easily is because they store water inside their thick leaves, which means they tolerate neglect incredibly well. Visually, they have tall sword-shaped leaves with dark green patterns and sometimes gold edges that look very modern and sculptural. For care, place them anywhere from low light to bright indirect light. Water only when the soil becomes completely dry. In low light, they need even less water. The biggest mistake is overwatering. Snake plants hate wet soil, and too much water causes root rot very quickly. For the best expensive look, use tall mat pots in white, black, or concrete colors. That clean modern styling makes even a cheap snake plant look designer. The practical benefit is that they stay attractive year-round with almost no effort. Even busy people can keep these looking perfect. Number 3. Rubber plant. The bold statement plant. Rubber plants have some of the richest looking leaves of any indoor plant. The glossy dark foliage reflects light beautifully and instantly gives rooms a more upscale feel. This is the kind of plant that makes your home feel intentionally designed instead of randomly decorated. And surprisingly, medium-sized rubber plants are usually very affordable compared to how expensive they look. Rubber plants naturally grow upward and develop thick stems, which helps them look more like indoor trees over time. Visually, the leaves are large, smooth, shiny, and deep green. Burgundy varieties look especially luxurious in modern homes. For care, place them near bright indirect light and water when the top layer of soil dries out. Wipe the leaves regularly because dusty leaves lose that expensive glossy appearance. A common mistake is constantly moving the plant around. Rubber plants like stable conditions and may drop leaves if repositioned too often. One styling trick that makes rubber plants look much more expensive is elevating them slightly off the floor using a plant stand. The practical benefit is that rubber plants grow steadily for years, so your cheap starter plant slowly becomes a large statement piece without needing replacement. Number 4. Pothos, the cascading luxury vine. A lot of people think pothos is just a beginner plant, but honestly, when styled correctly, pothos can make your home look incredibly high-end. The secret is letting the vines trail naturally from shelves, cabinets, or hanging planters. Those long flowing vines create that relaxed designer home look you constantly see on Pinterest and interior design accounts. Pothos works perfectly for this topic because it grows fast, fills empty spaces beautifully, and creates a lush layered look without costing much money. The plant naturally grows as a climbing and trailing vine, which is why it spreads so quickly indoors. Visually, pothos has glossy heart-shaped leaves with beautiful green, cream, or golden patterns depending on the variety. For care, place it in medium to bright, indirect light for fuller growth. Water when about half the soil feels dry. One common mistake is leaving the vines thin and sparse. Trim and propagate the vines regularly to make the plant look fuller and more luxurious. And honestly, pothos is one of the best money-saving plants, because propagation is ridiculously easy. One plant can eventually become 5 or 6 plants completely free. Number 5. Z plant. The polished hotel lobby plant. Z plants always look clean. Seriously, even when neglected, they somehow still look polished and expensive. That glossy deep green foliage gives them a very modern luxury look, which is why you see them in upscale hotels, offices, and expensive apartment interiors. Most Z plants cost around $20, but they honestly look far more expensive than that. The reason they survive so well is because they store water underground in thick rhizomes, making them extremely drought tolerant. Visually, the stems grow upward with thick, shiny leaves that almost look artificial because they stay so perfect. For care, place them in low to bright indirect light and water only when the soil becomes fully dry. The biggest mistake is treating them like thirsty tropical plants. Too much water is the fastest way to damage a ziz plant. For styling, minimalist pots work best. Matte white, black, or concrete planters make Z plants look incredibly modern. The practical benefit is that they stay beautiful with almost no maintenance, making them perfect for busy people or beginners. Number 6. Bird of Paradise. The luxury resort plant. If you want your home to feel like a modern resort or expensive hotel, Bird of Paradise is one of the best plants you can buy. Those huge tropical leaves instantly create a dramatic high-end look. And while mature plants can get expensive, younger plants are actually surprisingly affordable. This plant belongs in the video because it creates massive visual impact even when the rest of the room is simple. Bird of Paradise naturally grows large paddle-shaped leaves that spread outward and make spaces feel bigger and more alive. Visually, it looks bold, tropical, bright, and incredibly luxurious. For care, keep it in bright light, preferably near windows with some direct sun. Water when the top inch of soil becomes dry. A common mistake is crowding it into tight spaces. This plant needs room around its leaves to create that dramatic designer effect. One of the best styling tricks is placing it in empty corners beside sofas or near large windows where the leaves can spread naturally. The practical benefit is that it keeps growing larger over time, so the plant becomes more impressive every year. Number 7. Chinese evergreen. The underrated luxury plant. Chinese evergreens are seriously underrated when it comes to making a home look expensive. Some varieties have silver and cream patterns that honestly look like designer foliage. And unlike many trendy plants, they tolerate lower light really well. That makes them perfect for apartments, bedrooms, offices, and darker corners where many expensive-looking plants struggle. Chinese evergreens naturally grow beneath dense tropical canopies, so they adapt very well to indoor environments. Visually, they have broad patterned leaves that instantly add texture and softness to modern interiors. For care, keep them in low to medium indirect light and water when the topsoil feels dry. One mistake people make is overwatering during winter when growth slows down. The styling trick with Chinese evergreens is using neutral modern pots and keeping the area around the plant uncluttered. Their patterned leaves become the focal point. The practical benefit is that they stay compact and attractive for years without needing constant pruning or reshaping. Number 8. Areca palm, the airy luxury plant. If your room feels flat or lifeless, Areca palms completely change the atmosphere. Their soft, feathery fronds instantly make spaces feel brighter, fresher, and more expensive. This is the type of plant luxury hotels use to soften modern interiors and make spaces feel more relaxed. Areca palms work especially well in living rooms because they add height without feeling heavy or overwhelming. The plant naturally grows multiple stems with arching fronds that create movement and softness in a room. Visually, the bright green leaves create that fresh tropical look people associate with expensive interiors. For care, place it in bright, indirect light and water when the top layer of soil starts drying out. They also appreciate moderate humidity. A common mistake is placing them in dark corners for too long. Low light causes thinner growth and dull-looking leaves. One easy styling trick is pairing areca palms with woven baskets or light neutral pots for that clean resort-style look. The practical benefit is that one larger areca palm can fill an empty corner better than several smaller decor pieces combined. Now, before you start buying plants, here's one important thing most people ignore. The plant alone is not what creates the expensive look. Presentation matters just as much. Cheap plastic nursery pots instantly ruin the luxury aesthetic, even if the plant itself is beautiful. Simple modern planters almost always look better. Another mistake is scattering tiny plants everywhere. Usually, a few larger plants make a room look far more expensive than lots of small, cluttered ones. And finally, clean your leaves regularly. Dusty leaves make plants look neglected instead of luxurious. Alright, plant lovers. These plants prove you do not need expensive decor to make your home feel more high-end. The right indoor plants can completely transform a room, add designer-style texture, and make even small apartments feel more luxurious on a budget. And the best part is that most of these plants are affordable, beginner-friendly, and easy to maintain long-term. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more practical plant ideas and budget-friendly styling tips. And let me know in the comments which one of these plants would look best in your home. Here's to creating luxury spaces without luxury prices.